Stuff that's all left open and I know you're going to try as best you can with barriers.
Flippers are very much
It's going to come right down there where I am. And that's what scares me. Because from what I'm saying, some of the areas that you're going to begin is going to be in the springtime. And in the springtime, we get rains. And I understand that you're going to have barriers and you're going to do the best you can to stop it. But there wasn't much to stop a 100-year flood, was there? No. Okay. Yeah, I understand. And I'm not attacking you, I'm just asking this question. And I still can't swim it. Yeah, and I still can't eat the fish. And what if I do, and I eat the fish, and I come down with cancer? Who do I sue? Yeah, I appreciate it. I'm not eating it. I know that. I'm just playing, a guy who's seen bald eagles on this lake right now. I've got photographs of bald eagles on this lake. I've got three blue herons just right now nesting next to me. The river is coming back. The river is strong. And we're taking this, what Mother Nature, what God has given us, and we've ruined, but God's helping us, and He's straightening it out. And we're going to go in there with human effort and try and do something for $100 million that we don't have to fix this lake. Just a thought. And you're starting at the top when you're coming down. All that stuff is going to be down for me. The whole process. Sorry, I'm going to be a little confrontational. I'm not jumping on you. Just getting warmed up. I think it's time that we have a spokesman, somebody stand up and say, what's going on?
Yeah, that's why we have these things.
Do we have $100 million to spend on it? I know you're going after companies. I understand that. EPA scares me. EPA is taxpayers' money, not the government's money. Scares me. Anytime you get involved with it, scares me. I mean, I know I can't eat fish. I know that. It tells me when you do this, and I start to say, okay, to my grandkids or my nieces, yeah, now it's being cleaned by itself. When's the last time they've done these tests? When's the last time this has been done? Was it done before the 100-year flood or after the 100-year flood? If it was done before the 100-year flood, I bet you it's changed. I bet you it's changed. See this house right here?
Right.
Right. I think it's this one right here.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, so reclaimed.
And the question I have is if they're going to work here, and they get a 100-year flood, all that work is going to go down to here.
Oh, that's terrible. Wow.
Right? In the 100-year flood,
Yep.
there's no way that they'll be able to stop anything from coming down to this area.
No.
So they begin excavating all up in here, right?
Yeah, all the dioxin.
And it rains for a week straight.
Yep.
All that's going to go just like this. And it's going to land right here.
Wow.
And right here.
Yep.
And I live right there. Scary.
Yep.
$100 million. I've seen bald eagles on this lake right now.
Oh, I heard you say that. That's amazing.
I've got chunks of bald eagles.
Oh my gosh.
2 years in a row on this
Wow.
lake.
Oh, wow.
Anyway.
Oh.